So to install the theme, what you want to do is hover over Appearance and click on Themes, and then click on Add New. So below this video, there's a link to download the theme. So this is the Themify Ultra theme. And once you download it onto your computer, it should look something like this, themify-ultra.zip. And if it does come into like a folder, you might need to right click and compress it back into the zip file, because we have to upload the zip file as our theme over here. So click back over here and click on Upload Theme, choose File, and select the theme, open, and then install now. So on the left, it is uploading, and once that is uploaded, we need to activate our theme. Okay, so what you want to do is click on Activate. So for the skins and demo, I don't recommend selecting it. So if you do select it, it will basically import the skin onto your website, and your website will look like this. But sometimes I think, for most beginners, it's a bit overwhelming because you don't really know how to use it yet. So what I'm going to show you is how to create your website from scratch, and it's going to be super easy anyway. So click on X over here, and then let's go and view our website. So click on Visit Site. Alright, so our website is taking shape. Now this is an amazing theme. It is a premium theme, Themify Ultra. In my opinion, it is a lot simpler to use than Elementor and Astra, mainly because you've got all the features that you need. So you don't really need to download anything additional. And I feel like it's a little bit overwhelming when you have so many different plugins and additional things on your website. So I partnered up with Themify to share it with you guys for free. If you do have any problems installing the theme, then make sure you drop a comment down in the comment section below as well. So what I'm going to show you now is how to add in your pages. So we're going to click on Pages over here,